I was posting consistently, using the right hashtags, and even DMing people, but in reality, no one was booking. Nothing worked. But the simple truth is, I didn't need to post more. I just needed to change how I showed up. So I stopped trying to impress and started showing what I can actually do. And that shift booked me 3 high-paying clients, no ads, no portfolio, just simple strategy. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Olisa and I'm a web designer. I help entrepreneurs optimize their websites for better conversions. I've also been making videos on this channel about strategy, design, and no-code tools. So if that's your vibe, then you're in the right place. Now in today's video, I'm walking you through the strategies that booked me 3 high-paying clients, all organically, no ads, and certainly no portfolio. And the best part, anyone, literally anyone can do this, especially if you're just starting out. Now, let's start by talking about the first piece of the puzzle that so many people overlook. And this is your Instagram profile. It's not just your bio, it's a conversion system. Most people treat their Instagram like a vibe board. You know, aesthetics, curated, and vague. But if your profile doesn't instantly show what you do, who it is for, and how you help, people will scroll right past you. So think of it as a billboard and not a scrapbook. And here's the exact format that your profile should be in. Your name and your bio should include what you do, the service industry that you're in, and the second line should state how you help your audience achieve whatever outcome that you're pushing out, followed by a CTA that says something like book a free call or schedule a strategy session. And this is why it matters. If your positioning isn't clear in 5 seconds, you're practically invincible, even with good content. So treat it like your digital storefront, because literally no one walks into a shop that doesn't have any signs. But then even a great profile wouldn't work if nobody is seeing it. And that is why you need a proof loop instead of a portfolio. Now, a portfolio shows what you've done, while a proof loop proves that you can solve problems with or without fancy assets. So here's a 4-step formula to build proof loop if you're starting from scratch. Share a 30-second tip on your Instagram reel and pin it to your profile. Secondly, break down a real business and show what you can improve. Thirdly, post DMs of previous work or previous clients that you worked on and helped with their businesses and showing where they said that the solutions that you provide actually worked. And the first step is to show yourself doing what you actually love. So it's not just about posting Canva designs on your profile. Show yourself, be the face in the profile. Now, if you're unsure of how to explain your offer or demonstrate your value clearly, I have a guide on basic sales, marketing, and copywriting guide. It will help you phrase your offer without sounding desperate. Now, you need to understand that this works because people buy clarity and confidence, not just case studies. So what you're doing with your profile is that you're creating micro wins and real authority in real time. And it's all for free. So now that you've learned how to build your proof and make your profile much stronger, you need eyes on it. But it's not just any attention that you're looking for. You need to focus on strategic direct messages instead of just random content. And you need to understand that posting every day doesn't guarantee you clients, but starting 10 right conversations can. So DMs are where discovery becomes delivery if you use them right. And here's the exact 3-step formula DM strategy that got me 3 clients. Number 1, the intro. Acknowledge them, their brand, or their mission. Secondly, mention one quick win suggestion. So it could be something that you found on your website that doesn't work, or a feature on their website that is faulty. Mention it. Mention how it detracts customers from buying their products. Mention how it chases clients away from their business. And thirdly, attach a CTA. You can say something like, let me know if you'd like a breakdown. No pressure at all. And this is the exact DM that I used, and you can copy it for free. I'll link it in the description. Now, this matters because Instagram is not just a billboard, it's a doorway to real conversations. So you need to understand that the magic doesn't happen in your content, it happens in your inbox. But then none of this matters if your strategy is built on hustle and hope instead of strategy. And that's why it's important to have intent over volume. Now, most creators are sprinting, but I slowed down and focused on one premium offer. And every move that I made pointed back to that. And here is how you can apply this. Pick one offer that solves a particular problem. Craft content that builds belief in why that offer really matters. Use highlights, guides, and pin posts to reinforce your expertise. And lastly, only send DMs to profiles that match your dream client profile. Now, you need to understand that when your Instagram becomes a conversion system instead of a content treadmill, you simply stop chasing clients and start attracting the right ones. So by now, you've seen exactly how I booked 3 clients on Instagram without running any ads, without a huge following, and certainly without a portfolio. But what I really hope that you take away from this video is this. You don't need to be everywhere, and you don't need to do everything. You just need the right system and the courage to try it with great focus. This is what the video is all about, giving you a way forward, even if you're feeling invincible right now. So if you fix your profile, show proof of your value, start the right DMs, and move with intention, the right clients will find you, just like they found me. And I didn't even have anything to start with. So if this video helped you to think differently about how to find clients, hit the like button so more people like you can find it. And if you're serious about building in systems that brings consistent leads, you'll want to hit the subscribe button because I'm just getting started. Now, I've also dropped 2 resources in the description below. One of them is how to write better cold emails and also cold DM pack. And the other is my crash course on basic sales, marketing, and copywriting strategies. They'll help you apply this video faster with more clarity. So make sure you check them out. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one.